Hey. Wait. Yo, I have my microphone on and I'm recording a video, so like, yeah. I don't know what to explain. Mortis and Dave, if you're watching this, then Sunny, shut up. Then Sunny, stop. I'm gonna stop the recording if you continue. Anyways, dude, I just forgot. Yo, my bad if my voice is a bit deep. I'm a bit sick. I just got the clanker. Goodbye, Clanktus. Goodbye, Clanktus. He's gonna die like a pinata. Pinata deserves to die. Some tacos later. Are you okay, Mortis? Okay, back to business. Back to business. I'm gonna repeatedly kill Clanktus. Mortis? Huh? What the frig, dude? Mortis just fell out the edge! He just fell out the edge! Yeah, you go ahead and friend them. I'm fine with that. Okay. I'm recording again, and my cousin's in the video, so don't mind if you're talking in the background. Settings, stop doing that. Stop doing that, it's okay. Back to business. Back to recording. Back to recording. Wait. I'm with my cousin and Tycoon, and we're. Oh damn. If he's trying to get Tycoon battery, I think. None of your business! Damn, get that thing. Who's doing it? Damn it! Alright, back to business. Watch out! I'm alive? Oh, damn. Oh. That must have hurt. Revenge. He was trying to go for you next. I think he was gonna go for you next since killing me is a prior thing. So you're not getting global mass. That's not global mass. I think that's global mass. Setting just code bait. Okay, I want to use slapstick with this guy, but that. Hey, sir. You might move your car out the way. No!
I didn't see him.
Let's continue. I got a better idea. Somewhere away that the global cannot get us. Let's go. Let's try it out. Where? Oh. Bumbaya. Eat your butt cheeks now. Shut up. But yeah. My bad. Let's go dive under my cloud. Hunter. No, what the hell you mean Hunter? I'm coming. Just give me like 6 centimeters. Click mask guy. You mind? Hey, I'm a full mask. Oh! Shopkeeper. You shop. You build it. Man, you piss off. Yeah, back to recording. Why is Lightning McQueen in this game? I don't know, and he's also very annoying as frick. Why'd you leave?
Trying to.
Oh wait.
What?
Alright, I'm recording, so this means mortis gameplay. We're in different servers, are we?
Yeah, no, we're not.
Are you sure?
I
I'm pretty much sure we're in a different server. Okay, cut this clip off. Back to the clip chat. We're still in the wrong server.
That's what happened.
Angry Birds. Gatus. Whenever you watch this video, I will be there. I will haunt you for the rest of your life. Bye, Gatus.